It's that time of year where severe weather starts to be a constant threat, but thankfully power stations like the Jackery HP 3600 Plus are becoming increasingly popular and affordable. As you'll see in this video, these things can power all your household essentials, and unlike gas generators, these things are clean, quiet, and safe to use indoors. Today I'm going to show you how important it is to have one of these and also how easy it is to use during a blackout. I'm going to use this to power my refrigerator, my Wi-Fi, my work from home setup, my TV. We'll even talk about powering AC because that's very important for a power outage this time of year. My name's Eli, welcome to What's Next. This channel is all about making solar power as easy and accessible as possible for everyone, even if you're completely new to solar power. And that's why I love power stations like the Jackery HP 3600 Plus. All you have to do is plug a solar panel in and you've got unlimited power from the sun. But I'm getting ahead of myself, we'll come back to solar power later. First, let's just talk about how this power station performs as a backup for your home whenever the power goes out. Powering small devices with this thing is a walk in the park because you've got two USB-A ports and two USB-C ports. Here I've plugged in an iPhone, a game controller, a tablet, and a camera all at the same time, and they're all being charged by the Jackery. As you can see, all of these devices charging is currently pulling 47 watts. And at this rate, our battery's not gonna run out for 99 hours, almost 100 hours. So that's 4 days of battery. And once these devices finish charging, of course, you're gonna unplug them and you're not gonna be pulling any watts. So your runtime is really gonna be a lot more than 4 days. So obviously this is more than enough for powering small devices during a blackout, but what about big items like your refrigerator? The HP 3600 Plus has 4 AC ports. And here I've plugged my refrigerator into one of those AC ports. As you can see, my refrigerator is currently pulling almost 300 watts, giving us a runtime of 11 hours. However, refrigerators actually cycle on and off throughout the day. So whenever my refrigerator is not actively running, those watts are going to decrease a lot. On average, refrigerators use about 1500 watt hours per day. The Jackery HP 3600 Plus has 3584 watt hours of battery capacity. So if you don't plug anything else in, you should be able to run an average refrigerator close to 2 full days. If you plug in a solar panel, then that runtime is going to increase even more. You can also plug in expansion batteries that Jackery sells and expand your battery capacity up to 21 kilowatt hours. Anyways, let's plug in some more stuff. So now I'm using all 4 AC outlets. I've still got the fridge plugged in, but I've also plugged in my living room TV, this lamp, and my whole work from home setup, including my Wi-Fi modem and router. All of that combined is pulling about 430 watts, giving us a runtime of 7.5 hours. However, most of those watts are still coming from the refrigerator, so once the fridge cycles off, that's going to go down a lot and our runtime is going to go up a lot. If you do work from home, then this is an incredibly useful thing to have around the house during a power outage. With just my work from home setup plugged in, including my Wi-Fi, we're pulling about 60 watts and we've got 35 hours of runtime. And what's really cool about the HP 3600 Plus is it has an uninterruptible power supply or UPS feature, which is rated to switch over in 10 milliseconds or less. So for example, you can use the included charging cable to plug the Jackery into the wall. And the Jackery is just going to basically act as a middleman and send the power from the grid to your computer. However, when the power goes out, it instantly switches over to using a Jackery's battery power and your computer doesn't miss a beat. When you're looking at power stations like this, another thing you need to consider is how many watts it can put out. The HP 3600 Plus can put out, you guessed it, 3600 running watts consistently. As you can see here, I've got 2 really high power draw items plugged in. I've got a microwave and I've got an air fryer. Let's see how the Jackery handles both of these items at the same time. Okay, both the microwave and the air fryer are running now. The Jackery is putting out 3100 watts, so we've got a runtime of 1 hour, but obviously you don't need to run this stuff for an hour. I've done this exact test with multiple power stations, and I gotta say the Jackery is the most quiet. There's some air coming out of the vents on the side, but it's very, very quiet. This is no easy task, and it's handling it no problem. Now let's talk about AC, because power outages this time of year can mean miserably hot temperatures. Out here in my tool shed, I've got this little 5000 BTU AC window unit. I've plugged it into the Jackery, so now let's turn it on and see how it does. I've got my window unit on a low setting right now, but as you can see, it's pulling 335 watts, and at 95% charge, we have 9.2 hours of runtime. Let me flip this to high and increase the cooling temperature. That bumped us up to 380 watts, still climbing. I've seen it get up into the 500s before with this little unit, But as it stands right now, 95% charge, we've got 8 hours of runtime. Of course, if it's not super hot, you could always just run a fan, because fans don't pull that many watts. This window unit has a fan only mode. As you can see, it only pulls 42 watts, so we've got 42 hours of runtime. So hopefully you're getting a good idea of how helpful it is to have one of these things during a power outage. But what about recharging the battery? Well, there's a couple of ways you can do that. The HP 3600 Plus can handle up to 1,000 watts of solar using these little DC barrel plugs on the side. All you'd have to do is plug your solar panel straight in there and you've got solar power coming in. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with the cable that you need for that, so you have to buy that separately. But if you remember, my refrigerator and all that other stuff I had plugged in was only pulling like 300 to 400 watts. So if you can get up to 1,000 watts of solar input, then you have a huge surplus and you're going to be charging your battery pretty quick. You can also plug it straight into the wall once your power comes back on, or even charge it off of a gas generator. The charging speed is adjustable in the app, so you can turn it all the way up to like 1,800 watts. However, I leave mine down around 400 watts just to extend the lifespan of the battery. The battery is rated for 6,000 cycles, and they say it'll still have 70% capacity even after 10 years of regular use. It also comes with a 5-year warranty. It also comes with a 30 amp RV plug that you could use with a transfer switch if you needed to power your 120 volt essentials in a pinch. You can even get 2 of these and link them together to power 240 volt items. The app is actually really good. It's nice and minimalistic. It's easy to use. It lets you see how many watts are going in or out, what your battery percentage is at. You can turn the ports on and off remotely, and there's a couple of settings you can tweak. Another thing I want to mention is that although it is kind of heavy at 77 pounds, it's got these handles that make it about as easy as it can be to lift a 77-pound object. But it also has these wheels and a suitcase handle, so it's actually really easy to roll around your house. And this is also helpful, like if you wanted to take it camping, you can do that too. So there you have it, the Jackery HP 3600 Plus. I think this is a really, really good option if you're worried about a blackout. This thing is going to keep you covered for 99% of whatever you need during a power outage. It's really high quality, really well made. The app is great, and owning one of these things is going to make me sleep better at night during storm season. So thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think about the Jackery HP 3600 Plus down in the comments. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know why. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Also hit the like button. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.